Hey, Tracy, this is Sarah Norfield with Gold Pony Marketing. We spoke on the phone the other day. I know you're really busy, so I'm going to try to keep this video quick, but I just wanted to take the time to show you 3 things that you can do today to help bring more traffic to this gorgeous website and bring more customers to your business. Now, I know you may be asking yourself, why would I spend time making this video for you? What's in it for me and my business? That's okay. The answer is actually pretty simple. I was born and raised here in Dothan, Alabama, and I've seen how big chains are taking over the small businesses. Gold Pony Marketing really, truly wants to help small business owners take over the digital world and take back their customers and, honestly, their town. Now, I see here that your specialty is cleaning and taking care of your customers. Maybe not necessarily your computer, right? And you're really not alone with that. A lot of local business owners and just business owners in general are too busy running their business to really learn the world of the internet. They know that the internet and online marketing can benefit them and their company, but maybe they just don't know how to get there. And often, one of the biggest reasons why people hesitate when it comes to hiring help for their online marketing is you don't know who really knows their stuff in this market. So, what we do here at Gold Pony is we make people this easy free video of actual things that they can do to impact their business and really bring in some more customers. And as a result, local business owners are reaching out, raising their hands, and saying, I like you, Sarah. Let's do this together. So, it's really a win win situation for both of us. If by the end of this video you liked what you heard, you see that we have a ton of great tools and tricks that can help your business, and you want to reach out, shoot me an email, give me a call, and I'd really love to talk with you. Or if at the end of this video you just want to take all these free tips that I gave you and do it all by yourself, that works for me too. I just appreciate you watching and your time, Tracy. So, now let's save that time and jump right into what we're doing. Let me show you 3 things that are going to set this website above your competition and get you some consistent customers. Now, the first thing that drew me to your business is when I look up cleaning services in Dothan, Alabama. Tracy's House Cleaning Services does come up pretty quick, but it's not that website page that I was just looking at. It's actually for Nextdoor. And Nextdoor is great. I'm sure you're getting a lot of customers off of that. But the thing is, your website is really good. It's bright, it's professional, it's easy for people to contact you, and we want this site to rank. Not just above Nextdoor, but above your competition. So, how are we going to do that? Let me tell you about it. The first thing that I really want to go over with you is content. Now, to really be optimized with Google search engines, things like that, you need about 1,500 words on there. And there's a ton of free websites that you can use to find out the word count on your webpage, like I did. And it looks like you guys have about 682 words on your site. There's a ton of great images, but just maybe not as much verbiage as there needs to be. And let's see. All right, we have some of your competition right here. This is Helpful Housekeeping, and they actually have a few thousand words on their page, mostly thanks to their blog. And I just want to say again, I like your website better. This is not as bright, it's not as easy for customers to access. And you may be asking yourself, what is the point of all of that content if your website says what it does and theirs is, mostly their blog? The thing is, Google can't see this bright and engaging homepage the way that I can. It just has to use the data and the words. So Google takes keywords out of the content on your pages, and then when people search for those keywords, it sends them to you. So the more words you use, the more keywords that you have, the higher you rank, the more customers you get. Does that make sense? Let's get more into this keywords thing. So like I said, I was looking up cleaning services in Dothan, Alabama, and there's about a 90 search volume. So that's 90 people who are searching for this every month. There's also house cleaning services down here. You can see about 20 people are searching for that. And that's a lot of customers. That's over 100 people who are trying to find someone to clean their house. And the thing is, Tracy, that when we go over here to your website, you're not ranking for any keywords at all. So when people go to search house cleaning, cleaning services, things like that, your website is not showing up. Next door is, but not your website. And, to really drive that point home, I'm actually going to show you helpful housekeepings as well. And they're ranking for about 347 keywords. And if you take a look at what they're ranking for, let's see. The spider poop on the wood floor, that's really silly. That actually does come from their blog, like I was saying. But cleaning services, Dothan, Alabama, right here. That's 14 people a month who are going to their webpage because they looked up cleaning services in Dothan, Alabama. So when you think about how much that translates to paying customers, it really starts to be worth something. One thing I want to touch on really quick. As you can see, there is this sponsored post and this sponsored result. And there's a lot of this sponsored stuff right here at the very top. What this is paid ads. This is where people are, paying Google to put their stuff right up here at the top. But the issue is, studies show a lot of people will actually scroll right past this on purpose and jump straight to right here, or even past that and down into these results. So if you're not down here, then paying for these ads up here can really just be kind of a waste, honestly. All right, now moving on to big tip number 2. This right here is what we call the map pack. It has a little map right there. And what you see in the map pack is the business's name, phone number, and usually their address. So a lot of times this gets shortened to name, address, phone number, or NAPS. What you really want is your name, address, phone number, your NAP in the maps. Little fun rhyming action right there. And to do that, what you're going to do is we're going to head over to another source I use called Whitespark. And let's show you real quick. Okay, so Whitespark shows you your citations. And what citations are is your NAP, like I just said, your name, address, phone number, listed on other websites, directories. So right here, you're on Facebook, you're on Yelp, you're on MapQuest, that kind of thing. The more citations you have, the higher your business is going to rank in Google. So as you can see, Helpful House Cleaning has 7. Let's look at some more cleaning. South Star Cleaning has 8. All About Cleaning has 16. They're, showing up pretty high here. All About Cleaning. So these citations directly impact where you show up in the ranking. And what you do when you want more citations is you can go to All About Cleaning, and when you pay for this Whitespark subscription like I do, you can see all of where they're listed. So what you can actually do is you can go to, say, merchantcircle.com, and then you can submit your citation, your name, address, phone number, so that you can be listed on this directory so that you can boost your ranking in Google search results. This is a really easy way to help improve your site's traffic and really get you those customers that you're trying to get. And finally, the last thing that I want to talk about ties right into this. The last thing that Google really likes to get you ranked up here and up here is what is called backlinks. Now, backlinks are a lot like citations. It's where you're listed on directories, yellow pages, Yelp, that kind of thing. But your backlink is actually, the link to your website, whereas your citation is just your name, address, phone number. Hopefully I'm not getting too wordy and losing you here, Tracy. I'm just really passionate about this stuff. So, to get up in these top results like we want to be, you need your citation and your backlinks in as many directories as possible. The best way that I can think of to explain it is it's sort of like when a new restaurant opens here in town. You really don't want to go try it out until you've talked to some other people, you've heard how it is, that kind of thing. Google's the same way. They don't want to recommend you to people in these top results until they've seen that other people recommend you. It gives you a little authority. It really is like a popularity contest, and this is how Google sees that you're popular. And Ahrefs, that site that I was showing you earlier, shows your backlinks as well. So we can click on that and see who has the link to your website on there. And we can also see your competition. Helpful Housekeeping, they have 27 backlinks compared to your 4. So that's another area where we can really boost you up. We can look and see, exactly where they're at, what they're doing, and take a closer look. And again, you can go to these exact sites and submit your backlinks so that you can be listed as well, and you can rank higher in the search engine. Now, of course, it's really helpful to be listed on relevant sites. It's better to be on, say, West Five Maps as opposed to, say, like Pizza Hut, because you don't sling pizzas. So that's why I pay for these programs like Ahrefs and White Sparks, because they find me the most relevant websites to help put my clients on so that we can rank in these. All right, Traci, let's bring this thing home. I know you're really busy. I don't want to waste your time here. What we went over today were 3 tips that can boost your website's traffic, get you more customers. That was the content, how many words are on your page, the citations, where your business's name, address, and phone number are listed in directories, and backlinks, where your business's link is listed in directories. I would recommend over 1,500 words of content and between 50 and 100 citations and backlinks. And that would really boost you to, I believe, probably the top spot in Google, honestly. That would definitely put you in this map pack that we want to have you in. All right, so you may be asking yourself, what do I do with all of this information now? And you can take all of these tips, you can use them yourself, you can go out there and get those citations, those backlinks, and that content yourself. But if that seems like it's going to take time away from your customers and you really want to go for the most effective route, then please give us a call over at Gold Pony Marketing. My phone number is 334-589-9645. You can also email us at goldponymarketing@gmail.com. Or you can go to our website, goldponymarketing.com. If you just want to chat more, you're not really ready to commit yet, that's totally great. I would love to get to know you more and know more about your professional goals, what you want from your business. I would really just love to chat with you, Traci. Again, my name is Sarah Norfield. I'm with Gold Pony Marketing. My phone number is 334-589-9645. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video today, Traci. I hope you have a great day, and I look forward to hearing from you.